Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add border only outside of a table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add border only outside of a table. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for table option. Now select from a row and columns. Now resize your table. Now select from table. Now going to the border menu option. Then firstly click for a 6 pt and outside border. Now for click. Select from table, then click for a outside border. That it's. Now you can see add border only outside of a table in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.